Where'd you go? Such a narcissist.
Shut up with that word.
Why?
Or fucking leave.
Why?
I'm not going to listen to that word again. You're in your paranoid mode. I do not want to hear this crap. With RFID chip in my hand. Come on.
Dude, they did put an
No,
RFID.
they did not.
Yes, they did. They had the same spot as all the videos show people get an RFID chip in their hand.
Connor, you are paranoid.
No, I'm not.
You've got a
Then
problem.
prove it with
Accept it.
Then prove it with an X-ray. Let's go to get an X-ray and see what happens.
You want to take... They don't, first of all, they do not do that.
Yeah, they do.
They went over it with a metal detector. Deal with
No,
it.
they
The fact
didn't.
you have got a
They
problem.
did not go over it with a metal detector. You're lying.
Yes, they did at the
No,
hospital.
they did.
Twice.
When? I don't
Twice.
ever remember a metal detector over my hand.
They did it over that with the policeman did it, and they did it at the
No,
hospital.
they did not. That's a lie. I was there. You weren't. You were in Florida. I was in Georgia.
I was there.
No, you weren't.
Connor,
You weren't there either time.
I was there.
No, you were not.
Yes, I was.
You was there for Peachford when they put me in, then you left that same night.
You know what I was talking about? I'm not going to go over this. I do not want to hear those words.
Why? Because you are a narcissist.
Get out of here. Go in your room.
No, I'm not going in my room. Why? Because it's the truth?
You're not going to. This is my home, not yours.
Okay, then fine. I don't really care if it's your home or not.
Go in there or leave.
No.
But do not. Yes.
No. I'm going to watch the movie.
You're going to go in your room and watch. I don't care.
I don't have the movie. I don't have cable in my room. You know that.
Do not tell me no.
No.
You know what? Get the fuck out of my house. Now!
Okay, then kick me out.
Get out.
No.
Get out.
No.
I will call the police and have them take you out.
Okay, fine.
Get out.
Go and call the police then.
Get out of my home.
No.
Now!
No. Go and call the police. Tell them to kick me out.
Connor?
Call the police if you're serious about it. Fine. I don't
I'm
really
going
give
to
a
call
shit.
the hospital and have them take you and commit you.
Fine.
Do you not realize, like, you are, like...
Why? All of this over burping and pissing you off because I burped?
Because
are you
now,
kidding me?
Why?
Because I called you a narcissist?
Now
You're going to
think
call the cops on me
now
for
you
it?
think you're going
to kick me out of the house for calling you a narcissist?
Connor, you're not well.
That's exactly what you're doing. Oh, I'm not well because I'm calling you out on your bullshit?
You don't...
With your petty slamming the groceries everywhere and going from the convenience store as soon as I piss you off?
You are so not well, dude.
I'm fine, dude. You're the one who's not well. You're a narcissist.
Do you feel good saying that word?
Yeah, because it's the truth, and you've been abusing me all these years covertly with gaslighting.
Ooh,
you took the
gaslighting
cap off the.
covert.
You took the cap off the champagne this morning and left it out to try and gaslight me. Why would you? You don't even drink. Why would you take that off the champagne bottle? Because you tried to gaslight me into thinking I was crazy and tried to make me think I was the one who took it off the champagne bottle when you're the one who took it off.
Connor,
That's a classic form of gaslighting.
do you not realize that you're using a wine stopper and it's carbonated? So I replaced it like 3 times yesterday because you would put it on and the
No
gas
bullshit. You
would
took
push
it off because no, it doesn't. It's
Connor,
fine with it on. You took it off to try and gaslight me. Accept
I'll
it.
prove it to you the next time you open the box.
Are you gonna call the mental hospital or whatever so you can get me out of here just so you can not hear the word narcissist?
I'm gonna prove it to you the next
Go and
time
call the mental hospital. I don't really give a shit. I don't want to live with you right now. Go ahead and call him. Call him right now. Fucking call him right now. I don't care.
Just leave.
Call the mental hospital. I'm not gonna live on the streets.
Well, that's where that's the only option you have, Connor. Because you're blowing it here. Because you do not.
I'm blowing it here because
you
I
have
fucking burped.
Because you have no respect. I've asked you.
Yes, I do have respect. I can't help the burping.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes.
No, I cannot.
Then lose some weight.
Then get me off the goddamn medicine, you dumbass.
No.
You gonna call the mental hospital and have me admitted?
No.
What are you gonna do then?
I'm gonna ask you to go to your room or leave.
I'm not leaving
Then go to
unless
your
I go to a mental hospital.
No, you're gonna make it easy on me.
You're a piece of shit. You know that?
I appreciate that.
Well, you call me a fucking pig all the time, so maybe you should hear that.
Yeah, you know what?
Fuck you.
Think about who's.
Fuck you.